Hey guys, hi family. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Evs in the Diary, and I'm back for now with a Shein unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. But it's been a minute. But anyway, welcome back. Welcome. I missed you all. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, hi. Please subscribe. Join the family. I do these kind of videos, hauls, unboxings, sharing my favorite styling tips, my favorite items, clothing items and stuff like that. And from time to time I'll do vlogs as well. So yeah, I hope you'll join this channel to enjoy some of that content. Anyway, so what had happened was I lost my bag with all of my clothes. Yeah, terrible thing. But anyway, long story short, the airline reimbursed your girl, gave me a little coins, and so what I've been doing is I've been rebuilding my closet. And so I ordered some items from Shein. I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. So without any further ado, and before my baby wakes up, he's actually taking a nap now, let's get into this unboxing. Got a few items. Oh my goodness, it is heavy. All right, so the first item, and the item that took up most of the space, is this jacket. It's a faux leather jacket. The jacket is at the matrix, guys. That back in style. Ooh, here she goes. Oh wow. Okay, so sometimes faux leather items from Shein come with a very strong smell, but this one doesn't, so I'm really happy about that. This is she. I got her in a size small. There you go. I'll just zoom in so that you guys can see. She comes with a belt as well. Just a long trench. I cannot wait to style this. The next item is the skirt. It has a really nice print to it. I love it. I got it in a size medium because according to the reviews, the girls were saying it has no stretch to it. So yeah, you might want to consider going up a size, especially if you have a little, you know. So yeah, there she is. Another thing about the skirt is this, you know, splitting, and that goes all the way, yeah, it goes all the way up to here. So you can just adjust it according to your taste. But yeah, number two. But guys, I feel like I was low-key bamboozled, hoodwinked, led astray, because I don't know, man. I'm not really a big fan of how it fits. It feels a bit big. But anyway, that's not the main point. I think the main issue I have a problem with is the length. It's supposed to be mid-calf, but I don't know, man. I mean, look at the slit. It's supposed to cut. On the model, it was something like this, you know. Ignore the top part. Ignore what I'm doing up here, okay? Just try to see what I'm trying to do. Try to pick up what I'm trying to put down, okay? But yeah, this is how it was supposed to be when the slit is open all the way up, you know. And this is the vibe that I was trying to, you know, me and Visitanga. But anyway, we'll make it work. I'm not sending it back. That's one thing I'm not doing, and I'm not getting it again, because yeah, I ain't with all that. But anyway, yeah, this is how it fits. I feel a small would have been okay for me, yes, because you know, one thing about us, let me just bring you to my eye level. I think one struggle that most of us African girls struggle with is, you know, the small waist, big nyash and hips type of vibe. I mean, look at me kissing with them. But yeah, I think that's a bit of a struggle, because as you can see, it's hugging the bum and the hips, but it's loose on the waist. But anyway, yeah, as I've said, it is what it is. And to replace my biker jacket, and kinda it was new. I had just gotten a biker jacket from H&M. It was on sale. But yeah, I'm trying guys. I'm trying to move on from those clothes. But yeah, I just got this for the meantime, Hela. The quality is not that great. I can already tell it's too light, but it will do, guys. This is it. It will do for now until I can buy a proper biker jacket. Again, no strong smell whatsoever. So yeah, I got this one in a size small, I think. Okay, yeah, no, actually medium, sorry. I got it in a size M, because again, the girls advised, hore, you go up a size because it's small, and yeah, the size is small, and also it's cropped. So yeah, so there you go, guys. This is a medium. This is how the medium fits. Not bad. Next, I got this dress, guys. Oh, okay, wait. Oh, I thought it had a slit. I'm like, okay, you can't be short, micro mini, and have a slit, because then you are not for me. But yeah, this is how it is. I'm sure we've seen these dresses. I've seen something like this on Snee. Yeah, Snee Mhlongo, mother of the snacks. Love her, love her, love her. But yeah, I got this mainly to wear it with my boots. I'll show you the boots that I got from Shein. They were not with this order, but I'll show y'all. So yeah, these are the boots. Oh guys, they're so cute. And green is in now, so yeah. And then last but one, I got these what do you call them, slippers. Okay, super cheap. I love them. I got them mainly for the color, yeah. But I mean, yeah, they're not too bad. Just slides. And then the last item from the package is this. I got these black boots. Winter is coming this side, so yeah. Wow, look at that. Love it, love it, love it. And oh wait, there's still some items in there. So I needed silver jewelry for a look that I want to do for my TikTok and style page. So I grabbed these from Shein, because I couldn't find any good in terms of style for me. Yeah, jewelry from both H&M and Forever 21, which is where I usually get my stuff, the Lovisa. But yeah, these will do for now. The quality is not that great, obviously, but I think they'll do for the look that I wanna do. So yeah, that's it, guys. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you how some of the stuff fits. This is how the trench coat fits, and how lucky are y'all. I managed to come up with an outfit from these items just for you guys to see and appreciate how they fit. Here's a sneak peek of the dress, and this is how the boots fit. Hold up, let me complete this look. Okay, ding ding. Come on, she got that thing on though. Let me just put it on. So yeah, this is how the stuff fits. What else is left? Yeah, I think I've fit all the clothing items from the haul. I hope you guys love this look, because I certainly do. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. I hear my baby crying, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.